Hey NewTubers, welcome to another episode of unboxing. Today we have something from GoalZero. I ordered a special item in case I ever need to go camping or I need an extra lamp. Well, I'm going camping and let's get started. This is brought to you by another episode of VGL Tech, where I try to review as many tech items as possible. Most of the items I review are usually crowdfunding, Indiegogo, or Kickstarter. Sometimes I like to buy some stuff that I see that's very interesting, that's already been made and not crowdfunded. So this is the GoalZero collapsible solar lantern. It's a Crush Light. It's 60 lumens, USB rechargeable. Right now it's in a demo mode, so I'm not sure where it says. It's rechargeable by sun or micro USB up to 35 hours, runtime on low, ultra lightweight design. So let's see if we can open this out. Oh, as you can see, you can try this in demo mode. See it turn on right there. So I think if you just lift it up here, and there you have it. You have a lamp. Cuts on and off in demo mode, and then easily foldable. And as you can see, the light's right here. So let's see if we can. I don't have a thing to tear this out, so hopefully this is gonna be a little harder since I don't have a. Oh no, come on. Just need to cut these points off. There you go. So here you have it. It's pretty flat. Take it by holding the on and off button for 10 seconds. So let's take it out of demo mode. So we hold the on and off button for 10 seconds. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 8, 9, 10, 1,000. Okay, here you go. As you can see, it makes a light right here. You can hold it like this. Looks like a shield, almost like Captain America. But it's super light. Super light. It's very, very light. And then now you have it in lantern mode, like this. And so I can click on it. Oop, that's the USB charge port. Click on it, low light right here, and even lower light, and off. So you have high, medium, low, off. And right here is the USB port to charge it. Unfortunately, it's micro USB. I'm not sure why everybody should go USB-C, but it's micro USB and it's solar power, so you can charge it both. Super, super light, super durable. Comes with the USB, micro USB cable, which I have a lot of those. And this is how you collapse it. 1, 2, 3. Let's remove this sticker for use. And there you have it, the GoalZero Crush Light. If you guys have any questions, please leave your comments in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible, and please subscribe. And thanks again.